At esdaily, we only take grade A+ opportunities. This video breaks down the single trade we executed on May 22nd, the 58.35 failed breakdown. We called this precise area out in advance as a key level for a reversal. I wrote about this in the esdaily game plan. The first opportunity I see is a failed breakdown of the 58.35. It was the May 13th low, and we had demand just below it. I was looking for a flush. As we entered the 8 a.m. hour, price flushed. And it flushed hard, right into the 58.35 alert zone. I called it out on X. We bottomed right at the top of the demand zone, and at 8:26 a.m., I posted that I had a buy order resting above current price, 58.36. After I had my limit order, we waited for the opportunity. We didn't jump in, we didn't rush, we traded the plan. Filled 10 minutes later, price left the zone fast. I posted targets at 58.44, 58.52, 58.69. ES was in a clinical flow state. But markets don't move in straight lines, and ES is no exception. It didn't stay clinical forever. All day we rallied, hitting our targets. The level written about at 6 a.m. was precise, and we were able to scale according to our profit-taking strategy. At 3:39 p.m., I issued a warning. We reclaimed 58.93, but momentum was stalling on us. I didn't trust the follow-through. I trimmed more at 58.92, just before ES topped at 58.95. And then, we collapsed. That trim wasn't luck. It wasn't a guess. It was structure plus timing plus identifying that 58.93 was key and it was losing steam. After the turn, we were stopped out on our runner at break-even, 58.35. But that was fine. We'd scaled out and taken 60 points along the way. That's the idea. We never know where price is going. We can only take profits when they're due. No chasing, no guessing, just one perfect execution. Want more trades like this? Join the thousands of subscribers and join me. Go to esdaily.com and subscribe.